A quiet soul from the hills of St. Mary. People said she was born with a veil over her face, what Jamaicans called a caul, and from early she could feel things others couldn't. At 59 she nearly died from a sickness no doctor could diagnose. But one night, she said, a voice visited her in a dream, soft, commanding, filled with light.
You shall be healed in my name.
From that day forward, her life changed. She could lay hands on people, those plagued by darkness, by obia, by sickness, and they'd recover. Blind eyes open, wounds unblocked, mad minds restored, and she never charged $1. She said,
If it comes from God, it must stay pure.
But words spread. People came from Kingston, Ochi, even abroad. Some started leaving love offerings, big ones. US dollars, pounds, euros. And slowly Althea changed.